Hello friends, this is Shehzad and you are watching Shehzad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix TikTok app is not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Guys, there is many solution to fix this problem. First is check for app updates. Ensure that you have the latest version of TikTok installed on your iPhone. Go to the App Store. Here you can see search bar and search the TikTok. Tap on TikTok. If you have any update of TikTok, first you can update it and then try to open the TikTok app. If this solution is not working, then we move to another is check that internet connection. So make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable and reliable internet connection. So just open the settings here. Here you can see airplane mode. Turn it on and after 10 to 15 seconds turn it off back to fix your network connection. So if you have connected with Wi-Fi, tap on Wi-Fi and here you can see Wi-Fi toggle is turned on. So just turn it off and turn it on back to fix your problem and go back. If the solution is not working, then we move to another is restart the TikTok. So close the TikTok app completely and then relaunch it to fix your problem. So just open the TikTok and close it to fix your problem. If the solution is not working, then we move to another is restart your iPhone. Sometimes simply restarting your iPhone can resolve various app related issues. Turn off your iPhone. So just go to the settings here you can see general. Here scroll to the below and now you can see shutdown. Tap on it. Here you can see slide to power off. After sliding it, your device will be turned off. After 10 to 15 seconds, turn it on back to fix your problem. If the solution is not working, then we move to another is check the system update. So just open the settings, tap on general, tap on software update and wait for a few seconds. If you have any pending update, download and install it to fix your problem. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more latest tech videos. Thanks for watching.